slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Features, Consumer App.
App logo. The journey begins with your app's logo, the visual representation that introduces you to the app's brand and identity. It's the first thing you see, setting the stage for what's to come. Onboarding Screen. The onboarding screen acts as your tour guide, familiarizing you with the app's features and functionalities. It's a critical first step in helping you navigate and make the most of the app. Login and registration. To access the app's full potential, you have various login and registration options at your disposal. You can swiftly log in using your Facebook credentials, creating a seamless connection between your social media presence and the app. Alternatively, you can opt for the traditional email and password registration, giving you complete control over your account. For added security and convenience, you can register your phone number via SMS, receiving a one-time password, OTP, for authentication. The app even allows you to select your country code, ensuring that your registration process is tailored to your location. Should you ever forget your password, there's a quick and simple process to reset it. Plus, the app offers persistent login credentials, ensuring that you don't have to log in repeatedly, making your user experience even more efficient. Products. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore the world of products within the app. Whether you're searching for your favorite food items, the latest gadgets, or anything in between, this feature allows you to browse and discover a wide range of offerings. Categories. To make your search even more effortless, the app categorizes products into various groups. This helps you quickly find what you're looking for by grouping similar items together, making the navigation process more intuitive. Favorites. As you explore the app and discover items that catch your eye, you can mark them as favorites. This feature provides a handy shortcut to your preferred products, ensuring that they're always just a click away. Multi-canteen. If you're feeling adventurous and want to explore multiple culinary delights, this feature lets you order from a variety of canteens or restaurants, all within the same app. It's like having a food court at your fingertips. Single-canteen. On the other hand, if you have a go-to place that never disappoints, you can also order directly from a single canteen or restaurant of your choice. Push notifications. Stay in the loop with timely and relevant notifications. Whether it's promotions, updates on your orders, or important news, the app ensures you're always in the know. Offers with banners. Enjoy special offers and promotions that are prominently displayed through eye-catching banners. This ensures that you never miss out on exciting deals and discounts. Shopping cart. When you find items you'd like to purchase, they can be added to your shopping cart. But the cart isn't just for storage, it's a dynamic tool that allows you to edit its contents, remove items you've changed your mind about, or empty the cart entirely. The app takes it a step further by offering a persistent cart feature, ensuring that your selections are saved for future orders. If you're a fan of convenience, the Reorder in one click feature lets you swiftly replicate previous orders. And, if you ever want to review your order history, that's just a few clicks away. Checkout flow. In conclusion, this consumer app offers a comprehensive and user-centric experience. With features ranging from user-friendly login and registration options to convenient shopping cart management and efficient checkout flows, it aims to provide you with an enjoyable and hassle-free journey. Whether you're exploring products, communicating with others through various media types, or accessing directions and location-based services, this app caters to a wide range of needs. The inclusion of dark mode, multiple language support, and right-to-left text orientation ensures that the app is inclusive and adaptable to diverse user preferences and locations. Features like voice search and typing add a layer of convenience, allowing you to interact with the app in ways that suit you best. Your privacy is a priority, with a readily accessible privacy policy, and the ability to provide ratings and reviews empowers you to share your experiences and contribute to the community. Thank you.
Features, Seller App.
App logo. Let's start with the face of your app, the app logo. This is the visual symbol that represents your app's identity, making it instantly recognizable and memorable for users. Login and registration. The gateway to accessing the seller app's full array of features begins with the login and registration process. Here, you have the convenience of registering with your phone number via SMS, receiving a one-time password, OTP, for added security. The app also allows you to choose your country code, making the registration process location-specific. In case you ever forget your password, there's a straightforward process for resetting it, ensuring you don't lose access to your account. Plus, the app offers persistent login credentials, allowing you to remain logged in for a seamless experience. Profile and settings. Managing your personal information and app preferences is made easy through the Profile and Settings section. You can edit your account details, tailor the app settings to your liking, reach out to customer support through the Contact Us feature, and personalize your profile with a photo. Manage products. This feature empowers sellers to efficiently manage their product listings. You can view a comprehensive list of food items, add new products to your inventory, edit existing products to keep your offerings up to date, and remove products that are no longer available. This comprehensive product management system ensures that your online store is always organized and appealing to customers. Accept/reject orders. As a seller, you have the control to accept or reject incoming orders from customers. This allows you to manage your workload and ensure that you only accept orders that you can fulfill promptly. Order history. Keeping a record of past orders is crucial for business management. With the order history feature, you can access information about past transactions, making it easier to track sales, customer preferences, and order fulfillment. Push notifications. Stay informed and updated with push notifications, which alert you to new orders and other important updates related to your business. This ensures that you never miss a beat in managing your online store. Localization and RTL. The app is designed to be inclusive of a global audience. It supports multiple languages and accommodates right-to-left text orientation for languages that require it. This ensures that sellers from various cultural backgrounds can comfortably use the app. Dark mode. For a change in visual aesthetics or to reduce strain on your eyes in low-light conditions, the dark mode feature allows you to switch to a darker interface, enhancing your user experience. Logout. Logging out of your account is simple and straightforward. This ensures that your account remains secure, especially if you need to switch to a different account or device. Persistent login credentials. The app offers persistent login credentials, which means that you don't have to repeatedly log in. This feature enhances your convenience and saves time. Walkthrough flow. To ensure that sellers are well versed in the app's functionalities and features, there's a comprehensive walkthrough flow. This step-by-step guide introduces you to the app's operations, helping you get started and confidently navigate the platform. His Seller app is a robust platform designed to empower sellers with the tools and features they need to efficiently manage their online stores. From user-friendly registration options and profile management to robust product management, order handling, and a seamless communication system, this app offers a comprehensive set of features. The inclusion of dark mode, language support, and a persistent login system ensures a tailored and user-friendly experience for sellers.